Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. Today we've got an unboxing from our friends at White Mountain Knives. Um, and I'm going to get into the bag and then we're going to get into the box. But before we get started, I'm going to ask if you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It really helps the channel out. So today's unboxing knife is going to be the Best Tech Sin. And White Mountain Knives is big for going with the bag and the box. So this was an interesting one, guys. Not really interesting, but it appealed to me. I have been very stoked with my Viper knives, whether they've been fixed blades, whether they've been slip joints. I've just really been impressed with them. So this is the Viper V5994GC, which is the hug. It's a Maniago, Italy made slip joint. And my Micarta comes with a little slip. Very thin. Looks like some care instructions there. All right, guys. Kind of ironic. I happen to have the twin in my other pocket. So looking at this, it looks very similar in the construction. It is titanium with very nice micarta, perfectly centered. Nice strong walk and talk, and a beautiful Wharncliffe blade that I really like, or modified sheep's foot in M390. And guys, and I'll break out the other Viper in a second, but I have been so impressed with not only the edges on these knives, but on the fit and finish. Very thin behind the edge. So for what I think of a slip joint being kind of designed to do, kind of slicing stuff, I think this is going to be a good one. So what first brought me into the Viper knives was this Viper knives twin. The twin's more of a drop point. It's about the same width, about the same length, maybe a little bit thicker in the hand. Definitely has a different feeling in the grip, has a different sharpening choil. Same micarta. I wanted them to kind of matchy in terms of color. And this is the Viper Twin. We've got a review coming out on it pretty soon. And this is the one that I just brought into the collection, and I'm really stoked. It does have some billboarding on it, like most of the Vipers do. And this is going to say Viper Hug, which I guess is the model of the knife. And then this S in the Ricasa must be the maker's mark. And then you've got M390. You've got this nice satin grind, smooth up here on this swedge. Very nicely done. I mean, thin. You've got your stop pin to minimize any blade wrap. Just a really nice spring, really nice titanium bolsters, a lanyard loop for those of you who like lanyards. I'd give that about a 5, maybe a 5.6, maybe a 6, maybe a 5. But it sounds great, guys. And it comes with this little slip, which is kind of a win. So yeah, this is the Viper Knives Hug, my second Viper Knives slip joint, the first being the twin, both of which I have been very, very impressed with. Review coming on this one. I will carry this one for a while, let you know what I think about it, and kind of go from there. Hopefully, I'll be able to throw you guys out a review in a week or so. Um, Again, the same situation on the other Viper where the micarta sits just a little proud. It doesn't look misfit. It just looks like that is the way it is inset into that liner. Um, but yeah, I really like this kind of modified Wharncliffe. I like the way it feels in my hand. Very, very thin knife. Um, nice size knife. It's got a little splinter remover there, so if I ever need to get into the diggy, that'll do it. And again, the walk and talk on these Vipers has been very impressive. So guys, that was a short unboxing for the Viper Knives Hug, and hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm stoked about it. I look forward to giving you guys some more insight into it. Thank you, thank you, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for all my channel members. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.